Okay, you've seen all of this a few times. This is Leon's royal blue chassis with the 3D printed smoke, and this is an extended royal blue tender chassis adapter. You see there's some holes in the four corners. This will screw down on top of the tin tender chassis, and then the body would slide down over that, and you bend the tabs to put it in for the tin chassis. A couple of ways of doing it, but that's the way we're doing it so far. So he's going to have his two power adapters for smoke, power distribution, and motor control with reverse, forward, digital, DC converted vintage flyer, and a puff trigger for low speed, puffing it out. Yeah, I might cut that down from 4 to 2. It's a little easier. A little low on smoke. Might need to crank up the volts. I've been running it pretty heavy here the last couple of weeks. But in any case, that's it. We're back on the rails. New tender adapter and power distribution panel working great. Okay, that's it for tonight. Short and sweet. We got a lot of work done on the layout. I'll go over there and show you some of this. See if you can see it. There's the layout we're working on. I might change some of the pieces of it. I've got my S-gauge template, and I've moved the tables around, started to do some track to see how much space we're going to have. That's New York City. Grand Central Station is over almost 2 feet by 1 foot. I got to figure out where to put it. This was going to be the farm, and I've got to have a test track, so I'm going to beg for an extension out here so I can have a little circle off of this corner for a test track, and then this will just be farm and country, and Christmas in the country and Christmas garden and Christmas in the city. That's the whole idea. It's Christmas, right? It's what you do with trains. You make them in for Christmas. Got my trees put away. Command and control. Oh God. Quick, do something. Forget about it. Okay, I'll be back later.